Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap to open Spotlight on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Then scroll down and tap on Touch. Next, go down and tap on back tap. And from here, you could choose to use double tap or triple tap. I'm going to select double tap. And we go down to the system section and scroll down. In here, tap on Spotlight. After that, swipe up to return back to the home screen. And whenever you like to open up Spotlight, just double tap at the back of your phone and that will open up your Spotlight. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.